Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Back to that credit game for the goons for the 2022. You know what it do. Today, Spontaneous Productions is back to give you goons some game about CPNs. Everybody want to know about CPNs. Are CPNs legit? Are they legal? Are they real? You know, how do you get one? Where do you buy one? Blah, blah, blah. Can you get rich off it? Can you go to prison off it? Can you change your life with it? Can you be a baller with it? Blah, 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 blah. You heard it all. Well, I'm going to show you goons all the game about the CPN. So, you can go to this website. Check it out. You can go to this website. It's called CPNgenerator.com. All right. This website right here will teach you everything you need to know about CPNs. All right. As you can see, CPN, how to get a CPN number in 2022. CPNs made easy. So, they will show you how to get a CPN. A CPN is a credit privacy number, credit profile number. For those who don't know, it's basically a 9-digit code, just like a social security number, right? Just like that, but you make up your own number. So basically, you're just putting in your own number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom. Seriously, it's just like that. And so, you know, here, that's kind of how it works. And then, you know, you take that number, and what you do with that number, what people do is, you know, they just run it through the validator and whatnot, you know, get the number valid, and then, you know, you run it through to get it approved for autos. So with this website right here, you know, it'll show you step by step what to do. So, you know, you buy trade lines on it, you put trade lines on it, it gets a credit score, and then you just basically go check it to see if it's legit, you know. Because obviously, you know, like I said, it's just numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, boom, boom. You know, it's random numbers. You make up the random numbers, and then if it goes through, you know, you apply for credit, you know, you get denied on purpose for auto loans and stuff like that. You get denied on purpose, it generates a score, and then you get a credit karma. And then, you know, now it looks like it's legit. And then people go, you know, use it just like a regular SSN, you know. So that's pretty much how that goes. So can you get a loan with a CPN number? Yeah, you can. You get an apartment? Yes, you can. So as you can see, look, they're showing you every single thing. Where to buy debt portfolios. So I made a video about zombie debt the other day. You know, video went crazy. You know, and then you add trade lines, and you can just buy these zombie debt trade lines for pennies on the dollar. You know, you get $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 trade lines for, you know, for $10, $20, you know, real cheap. You know, people putting $1 million zombie debts on their CPN profiles for cheap. You know, it's $1,000, $1 million profile. You know, CPNs to rent a house, you know. So understanding the credit privacy number, you know, what exactly is it, you know. So you can just go to this site right here, you know. And, you know, people can just make them for novelty. You know, you can make these novelty CPNs it's nothing illegal about making a CPN. So you can go on this site. I'll show you where you can make a CPN on this site, right? So in this guide's article, we'll show you from start to finish how to get a CPN number, give you a quick overview. And, you know, you're gonna, there's a tool for debt validate. So here's how to get a CPN number. Okay. Creating a CPN number, it's not time consuming, all right? You can make these CPNs in a couple of minutes. So to create a new CPN number, select the number you want first. To pick the number first, you go to stevemorse.org. So people go to this stevemorse.org site right here. See? Decoding social security numbers in one stuck, Steve Morse. So, you know, structure of SSN, blah, blah, blah. You know, issued, blah, blah, pick the state, where it's issued, blah, blah. You know, 5-digit decoder, blah, blah, blah. You know, they do that, blah, 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 blah. So, as you can see, and this is not a government site. This is not something that the government wants you to do, because, again, it is illegal to do that and use this. And, you know, instead of your own credit profile, which you already have, your own SSN. And so, you know, people do this. So I'm just showing you what people do. It's out here. It exists. You see the website. So, you know, now you pick your numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what people do. Then they go to this site right here, SSN Validator. And I'm giving you goons this game right here. So People will hit you up all day talking about, oh, I want to get a CPN, I want to get a CPN, oh, I'm looking to buy CPN, people selling CPNs. Well, I mean, you can just really make your own, as you can see. So this is the SSN validator website, ssnvalidator.com. So, and all this is on the website. Look, I just click back. It's on the website, cpngenerator.com, you know. And then after that, after it's all good, then what you do, once it's verified, you just got to put some basic information. You know, you put an address where you never lived before, never had no bills under your name. You know, adding the address is very crucial. And you don't, because it'll get mixed up with your original credit file, and you don't want that. You'll get in trouble, big trouble. So always use the address, but not too close to your address. You know, they're giving you step-by-step how to do this on this website. CPNgenerator.com giving you step-by-step how to do a CPN from start to finish for free. Look, put the annual income for 90,000 plus, and your time of current address is 5 years, 5 months. Your type of job must be self-employed or supply the name or address of the employers. Blah, 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 blah. So as you can see, and then you're gonna try merge. So you try merge, look, visit listyourself.com, click the link. So you're clicking the link, it's not found, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. You can still do this. It's a 411 directory, so you can just go on 411 directory and then, you know, check out Bank of America home loans and other auto loans, and you're gonna apply for loans. That's what they do. If they apply for loans with this little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number, and then get denied the loan. But this information will merge your information with the credit bureaus, and a new credit file will be created from these random numbers. Keep in mind, don't do anything for 72 hours. Visit Capital One, apply for the secured card. You might have to spend $50. Blah, blah, blah. However, this may have your line reporting in 7 to 10 days. Also visit Crown Jewelers. Make sure you have an active website. You're gonna get $2,500 approval, and you get a $2,500 line of credit that reports. You know, maybe you'll get it, maybe not, but it's telling you where to go. You know, like visit these websites to help you build your profile and identity up for your CPN. Boom, boom, boom. So like, just telling you every single thing about it. So I'm giving you some game. This one website, CPN Generator, will give you all the CPN game. Here's the limitations. CPN can't file your taxes. Don't seek for government assistance. CPN cannot be used to register a vehicle. Benefits of CPN numbers. Okay, what they talking about? You might find creating a CPN number quite tricky, but it has various benefits. You can easily apply for credit, which you can do. But again, that is illegal, so just know that. I'm just keeping it a buck with you for real. This is all real talk, but it's out there. This is information purposes only. This information out there that anyone can Google. I Googled this and found this out. You can apply for a home loan that's not federally insured. There's so much stupid stuff people do with the CPN, you know? So CPNgenerator.com. Oh, she's a little baddie right there though. Ooh. Okay, let me find out. She got a little CPN. She get into it. It's yeah, we're a legitimate company with the physical office, you know. So the right loan is right around the corner as long as you have the CPN and remain patient. What are you waiting for? If you have bad credit history, you want to hide it all, apply for a CPN number. Get started right away. This is all the website, you know, and it's a legit website. This is not a fake website. It's 100% legit. And that's what people do with the CPNs, you know, and then you can just kind of see the packages. So people, what they generally do is they do sell CPNs for $100. That's very common for people to say, I got CPNs for $100. CPNs for $100. Tap in, tap in. So when they hit you up with CPNs for $100, this is what they doing. They just making a CPN. Other people have other prices. This is what they doing. They try merging it. And you know, try merge, Credit Karma, login, safe scan, LexisNexis verified. Those are the secondary credit bureaus to verify your stuff. You know, and then, you know, it's all set up for you. Refer a friend. Get half off the package. Wow. This one they put AU trade lines on here. And people do that, put trade lines on there. Also, like I told you about the zombie debt, you know, you can put that on there and really go crazy. You know, so like here goes. Look, they even offer personal credit sweeps. CPNs with 2 trade lines with a 700 credit score. What people do is get 700 credit scores with this CPN stuff, and then you start applying for credit. And as you can see, like, it doesn't take long because you made the credit. This CPN, you just made it in 5 minutes. You watch this video, and you could probably make one while you're watching the video. So, pow. And then it has to report, you know, to the 3 credit bureaus when you know, go for your loans and stuff. But, you know, trade lines post 7 to 15 days. So basically, it's telling you in like 30 days, within like 30 days, you could already have a 700 credit score, brand new credit profile. Of any age person, you know, you never had credit ever. But look, looking for trade lines? They got trade lines. You can tap in for trade lines. Look, which apartment and condos work best? They'll tell you which apartment and condos work best. Make your CPN stand out. Look, public records, you know, so, you know, testimonials, you know, what are CPNs used for? They say, you know, celebrities use them and all that shit like that, you know. And, you know, that may be true or may not be true because no one can really verify that. It's just talk. But they have consulting services. So if you want consulting, hey, they have this shit too. But, you know, it's just, you know, CPN, all the CPN games on this one website. How to make it, how to use it, how to buy it, anything you want. So, you know, I don't condone any of this stuff. I'm just giving you games so you know, because I see so much talk about CPNs this and CPNs that, and people always asking me about CPNs, wondering about CPNs, and I'm like, nah, I don't, you know, be building CPNs and stuff. Look, show me the trade line list. You could just go do it yourself. Like, just go to this website. Look, they got trade lines. You know, I'm not gonna say, you know, if you should or shouldn't buy the trade lines from them, but they have them. Look, this one, statement date, you know, 25th, 28. Look, 17K lines. Open date 17, 5 years. So it's 5 years. Trade line, age 17K. On the credit, they want 475 for that. But, you know, again, it's not about if it's a good deal or not a good deal. I'm just giving you game, just dropping you gems on how this stuff works. Get trade lines and make the CPNs. Now, whatever you do with that CPN is at your own risk. You know, this is just entertainment purposes only. You know, just the dark side of the credit game. Talk about CPNs this and CPNs that, and people always asking me about CPNs, wondering about CPNs, and I'm like, nah, I don't, you know, be building CPNs and stuff. Look, show me the trade line list. You could just go do it yourself. Like, just go to this website. Look, they got trade lines. You know, I'm not gonna say, you know, if you should or shouldn't buy the trade lines from them, but they have them. Look, this one, statement date, you know, 25th, 28. Look, 17K lines. Open date 17, 5 years. So it's 5 years. Trade line, age 17K. On the credit, they want 475 for that. But, you know, again, it's not about if it's a good deal or not a good deal. I'm just giving you game, just dropping you gems on how this stuff works. Get trade lines and make the CPNs. Now, whatever you do with that CPN is at your own risk. You know, this is just entertainment purposes only. You know, just the dark side of the credit game. You know, trade line application. So, yeah, man, pretty much CPN generator. Straight like that. CPNgenerator.com. So this is the website. You can learn everything you need to know about CPNs on this website, all right? So, yo, my goons, with that being said, you found the value in this video. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. Till the next time, and follow me on Instagram at spontaneous_productions. Tap in for consulting too. You need credit game consulting. I got ridiculous methods and a lot of other stuff that I keep private, but it's for sure on here. Private money group chat. So if you want to join that, you know, it's $500 for that, and just tap in and you can really win with that sauce. So till next time, my goons, stay safe and God bless. Till next time. Like, subscribe, all that. Let's go.